Let me show you how you can use desktop mode on your Google Pixel 10 Pro. So first of all, on your Pixel 10 Pro, you will have to go for the settings, scroll all the way down, and now you have to search for About Phone. Now scroll all the way down and keep tapping on the build number until you will get this notification that you are now in the developer mode. If you are unlocking this for the first time, you will have to also input your screen password. Now we can go back from this one and we have to go for system settings and open developer options. Now we have to scroll all the way down. There we go. And now we have to search for enable desktop experience features. Click on that switcher and select to reboot now. And right now, when your phone is rebooting, you will have to basically find this cable. This is the HDMI cable, and you will have to plug it into your monitor, just like this. And this second end of the cable, you can connect into the hub that will allows you to connect mouse and keyboard. Or if you want to use wireless mouse and keyboard, you will have to get USB-C to HDMI. So you will don't need this hub, but in my case, if you have the same just double HDMI cable, you will have to connect this hub in the USB-C port on your phone. And now take a look, I just connect this hub with cable, and now after a few seconds we should get our desktop mode on our monitor. And right now, if you are wondering how we can navigate, then you will have to connect mouse. So as you can see here, I have my mouse cursor at the bottom and I can open my app screen. Basically, you will have to connect this mouse into your phone. This is the wireless mouse, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how it works. And if you find it useful, please hit the like button.